In a major development in the ACF Soumya Ranjan Mahapatra death case, the deceased officer's father has demanded the arrest of his daughter-in-law Vidya Bharti and cook Manmat Kumbha. Soumya's father, Abhiram Mahapatra, expressed some relief after former Divisional Forest Officer Sangram Keshri Behra was sent to jail nearly 5 years after the incident. He said he has faith in the judicial system and hopes that Lord Jagannath will bring justice to his family. Abhiram Mahapatra alleged that Vidya Bharti and Manmat Kumbha should also be arrested and demanded that the former forest minister be brought under the scope of the investigation. Making a serious allegation, he claimed that his son was murdered for trying to stop illegal sandalwood smuggling. Meanwhile, Vidya Bharti has not issued any reaction to these allegations so far. In the latest development, former DFO Sangram Keshri Behra surrendered before the court after a long gap. His bail plea was rejected and he was sent to Parla Khemundi jail.
मेन आसामी DFO संग्राम बेहरा काली कोर्ट रे सरेंडर करछि तार बेल रिजेक्ट होबारु से जेल अछि तेणु मु मध्य आज सकाळे मानवर जंगल मंत्री को टेलीफोन रे कथा आइछि तांकू कहली जे तुरंत तांकू सस्पेंड करा जाऊ एवं विद्या भारती और कुंभ को अरेस्ट करा जाए हमर जो सही जवानबंदी जो मृत्युकालीन जवानबंदी न्याय थिला 10टारे पुलिस वाला मजिस्ट्रेट को डाकिले 10:05 रो मजिस्ट्रेट आसिले किंतु जने तार पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट रो 25 भाग जने पड़ी जाइछि तार पाकस्थ हो धुआं पछि जाइछि तेणु से 25 भाग पड़ी जाइछि से किमिति पोस्टमार्टम जवानबंदी देला सेटा हमर डायरेक्ट होछि पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट ଆଉ ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦୁଇଟା ତାଳମେଳ ହଉନି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତଦନ୍ତ କରାଯାଉ।